Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 10th, 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here does not represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. In a surprising legal move, Cards Against Humanity has filed a $15 million lawsuit against Elon Musk. The company accuses SpaceX of damaging a parcel of land they were protecting from development. This land was initially preserved by 150,000 contributors to prevent Donald Trump's proposed border wall. SpaceX allegedly left construction debris on the site, and after rejecting a low settlement offer, Cards Against Humanity decided to sue. The lawsuit seeks to compensate the original contributors and maintain the company's reputation for keeping promises. They also criticize Musk's political affiliations, linking them to broader issues of corporate greed. Elon Musk has taken control of the dormant @America handle on X, formerly known as Twitter, to promote Donald Trump and criticize Vice President Kamala Harris. The account, inactive since 2020, is now being used to support Musk's America PAC, which aims to mobilize voters for Trump. This move has sparked criticism, with some users blocking the account and labeling X as a pro-Trump platform. Critics argue that Musk's actions contradict his previous claims of political neutrality on social media. In Brazil, Elon Musk's social media platform X has been reinstated after a legal dispute with the Brazilian Supreme Court. The platform was banned for over a month due to its refusal to suspend accounts spreading disinformation. After paying over $5 million in fines and agreeing to suspend the problematic accounts, X was allowed back online. This situation underscores the tension between social media platforms and governmental regulations, especially concerning political content. Tesla is set to unveil its much-anticipated robotaxi, the cybercab, today. Elon Musk claims this vehicle will revolutionize transportation by allowing Tesla owners to earn money through autonomous operation. However, critics remain skeptical, citing Tesla's history of missed deadlines and unfulfilled promises regarding self-driving technology. The event is crucial for Musk, as Tesla faces declining sales and increasing competition. The company's reliance on a camera-only approach for autonomy raises further doubts about achieving full self-driving capabilities. In Nigeria, Elon Musk's Starlink faces sanctions for raising subscription prices without regulatory approval. The satellite internet service increased its monthly fee and equipment charges significantly, citing excessive inflation. However, the Nigerian Communications Commission requires prior approval for such changes. This dispute highlights the challenges international tech companies face when navigating local regulatory environments. The outcome could set a precedent for how foreign companies operate in Nigeria and similar markets. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay informed and take care.